You want your iPhone looking like this? Just stay with me and I will show you few steps on how to transform your iPhone, how to make your iPhone look this way.
Okay, guys, this is how to customize your iPhone. You
If you want your iPhone to look okay, from you remove this white background, is the way it's showing this white background. Let's say you don't want it, you want to show dark. Now press on an empty space on your screen, tap on edit, tap on customize. You can select if you want it dark, you want it light, or you want it automatic. You can see the changes. As I tap it, you can choose to make your app icon large, you can make it small. Um, then and you can actually tint it. Maybe you want your iPhone to look like you get you tint it, make your apps have different color. That way you can actually choose from the background, that's from your wallpaper, what you want the color to look like, and automatically will change to that color. So that's how easy it is to customize your iPhone background.